no gold is not in her.
Welcome back to our channel. This is our day one in our farm. We just got here. Right, let me show you the meat. I want to bring you guys to BBQ with us. Alright, this is our little chicken. Not that little, but a whole chicken. A whole chicken. We have BBQ whole chicken and some pork meat. I don't know what is this, which part this is. I think it's a tenderloin or the sirloin part. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to make a fire. Let's go make a fire, guys. Alright, basically this is the fire starter that I use. Actually, guys, this is the rotten palm fruit that has fallen from the tree, from the branches itself. So this is the rotten one. So you want to use this dry type, so it's easier to make fire. So I'm using this. Okay. And this is my fire, my barbecue space. Right, some wood that has been chopped. Right, guys, let's start fire. All right, so just like that. And it start. Put some more. I think 2 should be enough. Just gonna gently put the charcoal that we used last time. Just like that, just place it like that. Yes, just like that, guys. No pressure. I'm gonna put the dry wood up here. Just like that. Alright. Here you go. Alright. In the meantime, look at that. Bright sunny day. And this is a good day to work. We just got here. Today is 16 February. I hope we can start working tomorrow. No raining. And we're going to have a nice barbecue here. Right, cool. And some nice tune also. And I really love this portable speaker, guys. Sounds amazing. This is the Audio F100 and it came with 5-watt power, 500 mAh battery inside, and of course made in China. But the sound is amazing, and of course it doesn't produce sounds like JBL and so on, like Harman Kardon. But this little guy do the job really well. Let's open some more. Turn the volume up. Oh yeah. Cool, huh? Fire is nice, right? Nice fire already. Ready to go. This is our chicken, marinated chicken. Basically just a garlic, salt and pepper, a little bit of and some sauce, barbecue sauce. Right, let's put it on the fire. I'm gonna go with the skin side first. There you go. Three equally half chicken. Alright, that's fire. Alright, so next we have a nice 3-layer of pork. Basically just marinate with the sour, I think salty and sour plum. As you guys can see, this little thing. In Bahasa they call it, I think it's a samboy. Yeah. Alright, sour plum. I'm going to put it on the fire. Alright, some pork, chicken in the center. Right. Alright, while we wait for our barbecue, let's go check it out. Our chili, our habanero chili. It's all cleaned up. See our little papaya, little seed, papaya seed. And Simba is coming too. And Toby is also coming. They are really curious what I'm going to do. They always follow, see? They will come on. You guys gonna come? You wanna come? Simba? Oh yeah. Always follow Daddy where he go. Alright. Alright. We just harvested last, I think, a few weeks ago, yeah. Now we harvest again. Let's get this one. All right, there you go. All right. Hi. Simba. Chubby. Come. Bye. Bye. Almost cloudy, but this is going to be fine tonight.
Sitaki mushroom.
Shiitake mushroom. I'm going to cook
Soup ayam.
soup. In the meantime, I really miss the mountain view. Let's zoom it, zoom it, zoom it. Oh, that mountain. It's just spectacular. Oh my god, so shaky. And the bird sounds amazing. Few moment, in a few hours later, and it's dark. Let's see. That's nice fire. Nice fire there. We gotta see this. So beautiful. It is so beautiful. Down, right. Check it out. So now not sauce. Yep. Yeah, it's okay, it's alright. Can see it. It's all simmer. The pork started to simmer. Just ground. Everything looks so delicious. Let's take a look at it. Oh, that's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. It's moist. Yeah. Let's see if some of our slices pork. This is actually basically done already. This is quite thin. So we put it aside. That looks amazing. Let's take a look. I think the pork is done. Yep, it's done. It is done. I'm gonna burn a little bit. So basically our 3-layer pork is done. I'm gonna cut it later on. So now we are focused on the chicken, because the chicken meat is quite thick, so it takes some time. Okay. Right. Gonna close it. But it's cool. Okay. It's time to cut it into pieces. Same goes to our roast chicken. Half of chicken each. Alright. Let's cut. Okay. Pork. We have a nice piece of pork here. As you guys can see. A nice piece of pork. It's almost like a bacon. But it's not. Because it's very thin. Oh yeah. It really looked like overdone, but actually it's not overdone. It's really nice. You see, it's almost well done. Actually, guys, I like well done meat. Not a big fan of medium rare or rare. And also not a big fan of overly done. Alright, it's cool. It's time to try. Alright, let's get this. Oh, it came with 2. Well, I guess you want to go in. Now that is not fake face reaction. This is real good. So this is marinated by my wife with simple, I think it's simple marination, right? I think, yeah, some boil. It's salty and sour at the same time. It goes well. It goes well. I need another one. Another piece, man. Oh, wow. Cool. Now we have a nice piece of half of chicken. I'm going to cut it. Now this is quarter. We have a drumstick. Should I cut it smaller or just like this? I think like this only. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's see our meat. Oh my god, so tender. That is so tender. Wow. I think it's too big for me. I think I get the smallest piece right here. So hot, guys. So hot. Oh, so juicy. I haven't tasted it yet. It's so juicy and the juice is dripping. Wow, that's so good.
Sauce tiram, garlic,
The ingredient is
sauce tiram,
yeah, oyster sauce,
garlic,
salt,
salt,
pepper, right?
black pepper,
Black pepper, and garlic.
and
special
wine.
and wine, and a special barbecue sauce. Right. Wow, tastes amazing. Oh guys, I need to eat now. Okay guys, thanks for watching us until now, and if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like and share our channel. Okay, peace y'all, see you again.